Hey! Two million. Hey! Even if it's hellfire that is raining today, I must wash this car. Hey! This is machine. I put a cow machine. Chamo!
What are you doing? And isn't this supposed to be a maker's car?
Shut up! Don't ever call that name here again. You hear me? Idiot! His name is Sir Amy Money. That is the Chamo that's around.
I don't understand. I need an explanation.
I said I heard my name.
Hey, Chamo! Chamo is here.
Oh, is that you? Beautiful. Come on, give your daddy a hug. My sweetheart, my love. Come.
Wait. I'm getting confused here right now. Wait. I hope I am not dreaming. Am I?
Maybe.
What are they doing in your house?
Daddy, hug. That's what you're here for.
She's still talking.
Chamo,
drag her to me, drag her to this place.
Don't
One is talking.
You know, I know Igbo.
Obi, wait. Tell me all these are joke.
Could you please drag this girl to this place?
I am Obi, but he's Chamo. Obi Chamo.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me with your filthy hands.
See, if you have lost your head, mine is still intact.
My hands are not filthy. I'm richer than 2.5 million as I speak to you. Come and hug Chamo.
I see. He has bought you over with money.
I don't get it.
What can I show you? Now the time one I call hug one now.
Maybe I don't know. What?
Yeah, one and I can give 50,000.
Oh, be alright. I know you wouldn't do so. I know you would.
50,000 naira. 100,000.
Why not?
Chamo, 150, 200.
Come on.
Because man don't suffer for life. Just to go there, they see no vacancy for me. Now so many one day work out for you. I don't tire. What I will do now, say if not to your 5,000 enter, me I reach out, go find I don't spend time for Europe now, my brother. Nothing talk. My brother, you're confused me enter Europe. Come here, come the suffer. No job, nothing. I will pay for light, pay for house rent, pay for bills. There they go, water, no see drink. What to do? Put myself in the go as Jare. The mates are not trying.
Wow, this one is a no work. This kind of me, I don't tire. No understand. No.
That's how those now say you don't care for no come, man.
James,
Brother, you yourself.
Come.
Me, I don't tire for this kind of thing, brother. Let's go this way. Let's look for that if there's other vacancy for us. Me, I don't tire. Like say, brother, tell me something so you be for no come. Imagine so much you don't share, you don't find.
Brother,
never be this one. Brother, no go tell us the truth. Move on Europe. Now so that they see money pick for street. I don't reach here now. Nothing they happen. Me, I don't tire. You yourself go, you keep quiet. You no go talk around. You no go call. Now you tell me who they call Europe. I don't reach here now, brother. Me, I don't tire. Since morning, water no really drink.
Brother, carry us, come drop us for you. Now you never told us this is that difficult. The thing today,
brother, me I don't tire. At the fair way I want to buy pure water, make I drink.
My brother, me, I must make them.
Now everybody, now put my prayer be down now. Say God, Ah, now what you go talk now? Me I no fit talk again, I beg. I don't tire, I don't tire, yeah.
James, guess what?
You was eat again.
Guess what?
I'm not good in guessing, so what's up this time?
Brother has sent us money to start up a business and it's coming soon. Oh.
Brother, it's a lie. You have started again.
Lie?
Yes.
Just, look by yourself. See it by yourself. See it by yourself.
Wow, this is unbelievable.
And he said we should start up the business.
Jesus Christ, this is a cause for celebration, brother. Jesus, I'm so excited. So there's no one looking for a job and all that.
Yes, sir.
God bless brother for us, eh?
Amen.
Brother, so what kind of business am I going to do this time?
I know.
Okay, for me, let's go into importation and all that. So what do you think? Exporter and importer.
Yes.
Pure water.
Because what you know, man, you need to do it.
Come on, it's a lie. It's a lie. I'm not saying you no go lie with something like that now, but so what you're saying is, as I'm talking to you now, when I don't land Italy, you and your bobo, you go call me for video call now, make I believe what you they talk. I don't say you know they lie, but then you know what's that they talk now. Call me for video call. That guy mean business, oh. Okay, no wahala. We dare to leave us now. Everywhere dry. Everywhere dry. Nothing they flow, nothing they go. Eh? Okay. No wahala. All right now. Okay. That's nice. Well, when you there, Pastor, I don't know where they. Now we dey here. One good news, Kakanko. Becky, Pastor now. You don't know where. I they come there now. What change? I don't be there. Change. I don't be. Now.
Oh, namesake. Okay, I'm missing you. I must come to France. No, I'm coming to France. This guy is funny. You know I'm good. Like seriously. No, I know. Yeah, it's good, but I'm coming.
Anita.
Funny.
Anita!
Let me call you back, okay? I need to go. Jessica, what is it? Why are you disturbing my call?
Anita, it's your turn to wash plates. So go in there and wash those plates.
Is that why you're disturbing my call?
Anita, are you deaf? I said you should go and wash those plates. It's your turn to wash plates. Are you deaf?
Jessica, how dare you? How dare you, Jessica?
What is going on here?
Nonsense.
What is the meaning of this?
Nonsense.
And you?
Honey, Anita do nothing in this house. I asked Anita to go and wash plates. She refused.
Stop it! Stop it, Jessica. Is she your housemate?
Oh! Thank God I knew you were here. Help me to ask her.
How dare you talk to my wife like that?
Oh.
Does she look like your mate? I know how far I get this, my angel. Please stop that next time. I don't want to hear it from you. How dare you?
Ask who? Fool.
Eh? You see? You see? Jessica! You see? In your presence, she called me fool. No problem. Jessica, no wahala.
Are you working out on me? Anita!
But that's okay. Let today be the first and last. If I hear it from you next time, I'm going to deal with you. Forget if you are my elder brother's wife.
See, James, I can't take this nonsense from your wife. She cannot even respect me, your brother.
That is not, it's not of my business, brother. It's not of my business. Talk to your wife. How dare you talk to my wife like that?
Is that what?
I don't like it.
Talk to who?
You!
Talk to
Think of us.
Did your wife have respect? Eh?
Yes, of
Did your
course.
wife have respect?
Is she your
Look at the way she walk out of you. Eh?
She don't, see, take time. Do not dare me. If you talk to your husband that way, me, if you try it, I'm going to show you the bastard.
I can't talk to my husband like that. You marry mad woman in this house. In fact, I'm sick and tired of all this nonsense. What is this? Eh? Huh?
Jesus. Hey, why are you crying? Eh? But I supported you and all that, so why are you crying? Eh?
Why would I cry?
What happened?
Look at my neck, look at my head. Why would I cry?
But I supported you and all that. So what makes you cry? I don't like this. I hate to see you crying. Eh? I really appreciate you.
Nobody appreciates me in this house.
No, I really do. I'm in support of you, okay? So stop crying, okay? So why you so don't cry, okay? Don't worry. I'm really beside you, okay? I'm solid behind you, so don't even bother. So stop crying. I hate to see you cry, okay? It's okay, it's okay. Are you okay now? Okay, that's good. So what do you want me to do for you now? Tell me. What do you want?
Thank you for the support.
Okay, don't worry. I will take you to chop, alright? So take you to chop, right? Or go to Carrefour.
Let me get into me.
I like to see you happy, okay? That's good. Baby, you don't know what she wants. I always try my best to make her happy. And I will still continue to try my best. Because she's a woman after my heart, and I really appreciate that. Wow. 20 day in the office. Come back.
Emeka! Wanyoma, why are you screaming my name? Can you for?
I did not come here to exchange words with you, but I came to warn you. The next time you insult my daughter or my son-in-law to be Machuku Bineligwe, I will deal with you. I will so deal with you to the level that you forget your surname. Inapwala! Are you mad?
Madam, you would have gone to police. Simple.
Will you shut up? Lewanza. I can see that thing you're taking is beginning to affect your brain to the level that you don't have respect. Okuya? The next time both of you insult my son-in-law to be, I will lock you up. Nyatununga.
Wanyoma. I saw nothing wrong in what I told them. I told them the truth. See, you are this beautiful and you don't have money. Wanyoma, I swear it's ego. See, who wants to be poor? Do you?
Kilagwa. Ile agba rubber local la coil because you're wearing rubber slippers. Get like coil la pale here. If you try next time, I'll teach you both a lesson. Ndiala mwa. I warn you.
Wanyoma ite ego. Wanyoma ite ego. Ita ego. Na poverty dey talk o. I was here. All poverty dey. All poverty dey go. Oh my God.
today. Should I help you?
Jessica. Jessica, what is it again, Jessica? Jessica, can't you just mind your business, Jessica? Jessica, what is it? I cook, you complain. I refuse to cook, you complain. Jessica, what is it? Jessica, why? Why, Jessica?
Sorry, oh.
Sorry for yourself.
But you're supposed to cover your head now before cooking.
Hey, is it your coffee? No, Jessica, can't you just mind your business? Can't you just mind your business, Jessica? Jessica, I will give you. Hey.
Sorry, yo, Madam Troublemaker.
No! Some people jealous me because of my sharpness. Woo! Nonsense. Nonsense, girl. Jessica Onyara. Nonsense. Scared. What will I put? Salt?
Guy, my sister don't settle. She has settled completely and she's making money. She wants to send money. She wants me to buy land and develop. But before then, you know, say guys go refresh now. Sure. So, but I know what makes you know say guys go refresh. Now it make me think of waiting I go do to make out not understand what's they happen.
What is the way you talk now, a small matter?
No, say my papa they do all this land thing.
Yeah.
So we get one severe plan we can get for house.
Okay.
We go now carry him. Find this thing, waiting be that in name now. Correction flu.
Wow.
Cover in name, put your sister name.
Guy, you dig in.
Come find one old man we will go carry enter empty land. We go do hand like this. We go call youth go clear and we go video and where. After the videoing everything, we go now package them, send them to them.
Guy, you dig in.
Why you open up? Everything.
You dig in. You know what's up. I know what another. Yeah? Hi. Where did I go?
Ask me another. You will have time to answer these riffraffs. Let's go, please.
Now. Baby, calm down. Baby, calm down. It's about that Siwa still they tell you sense. Baby, you're sweet. You're not only sweet, you're beautiful. You're not only beautiful, you're lovely. Listen, baby, I want to start taking care of you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You want to start taking care of me?
Nah, but we look like twins.
You want to start taking care of me, Mama? Can you take a very good look at yourself first?
Look at me like this level, plumpy.
I will advise you take care of yourself first before looking for whom to take care of. Let's just leave here, please. Oh!
Calm down.
Why are you blocking my way? I don't like this.
Naturally, beautiful women, they change body, I understand. I want to ask you one question. So if I go take care of myself finally now, come back and start to take care of you. See? Now, whatever now.
In your wildest dream.
Hi, also follow me for voice. One will elephant leg. What kind of ways do you want? There's any now. One will elephant leg. Baby, you okay? Your madness go kill me for this town. Hey, take this step. Back out. What you okay now?
Behave like a man.
Hey, you see? She called me a man. Look at me. Jessica, you called me a man.
Honey, sit down.
Okay.
Brother, as for me, I do not have time to sit down to listen to all this settlement on, or I don't know what you call it, what you call it. As for me, I'm not going to take this from anybody.
What?
I'm not going to take it because the way your wife approaches my wife every day, I won't take it from her. How dare your wife call my wife a man? Does she look like a man? Does she look like a man? If it is because of this issue, you call me here. Me, I'm not a part of it. Okay? I'm not a part of it, brother. And don't call me next time in this kind of... And you, I don't want you to sit down with them next time. Please, let's get out of this.
Come in, honey. Woo! You have not seen anything. Me, man.
Go! Bad woman. Always mad. Honey, just look at them.
Okay. It's okay. I can't believe this is happening. I call for a peace, and then they are starting fighting again. It's okay.
That's my darling. What's up?
You're a rima.
What's up?
You're a rima.
I'm a man.
Honey, tell your brother, you think it's smarter. Whether he's feeling funky his wife.
Don't mind him, they are jealous. Don't mind him. You think it is easy to get a beautiful lady like
Oh,
that is jealous.
I know.
I know his problem.
What? Accolade.
Darling, don't mind them. They are jealous.
Sex.
I think it's easy to marry a beautiful lady like you. Don't mind them, my dear. Don't mind them.
Honey,
My brother.
I'm coming. Let me go and prepare Indomie for you.
No. I'm not a baby. Don't deserve it.
Pasta.
No, I'm not an Italian man. You know what we Nigerian guys eat now? I'll make my favorite food, semola. That would be okay for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me go to a restaurant and buy semola.
No problem, darling. I'm here waiting.
Ebi merendo karamu anomo zuru nekele ana mekele giyo anomo zuru nekele ebi merendo karamu anomo
Jessica
merendo karamu.
Wow. Since you refuse to use the machine to wash, you can wash my yourself. Thank you.
Come back here. Where do you think you are going?
Jessica, are you crazy? Don't touch me again, Jessica. Today is your turn to wash the clothes. So wash it.
And if I do, what will you do?
Then I will show you what I'm made of, Jessica.
Before you leave, take this trash you call clothes.
Jessica, you called my Carrefour clothes trash. Jessica, you're looking for my trouble now. Jessica. Don't. I'm not in the mood, Jessica. I am not.
Come back here. You know what? I don't have your time this time around. I don't have your time. Just take this nonsense, this bullshit out of my presence before I beat you mercilessly.
Then do your work.
I do your work. Come back here.
What? What nonsense? Paint on my face? Anita and Jessica. Honey, what is this?
I'm sorry.
Oh God. What is this?
I'm sorry.
I heard some noise.
I'm sorry.
Downstairs, I said let me come and check. I have searched for you everywhere. Then I said let me come and look for you here. This is what I could get.
I'm sorry. It's your brother's wife again.
Sorry for what?
I'm sorry.
A lady pant on my face, not even my pants.
I'm sorry. Please calm down, okay? Calm down. I'm sorry.
I'm disappointed at you.
I'm sorry.
I'm ashamed of you.
No, I'm sorry. It's
My
okay.
wife.
It's okay.
A lady pant.
It's okay.
Leave me.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's by the special grace of God. God is faithful. James, brother, I seem not to understand what is wrong with both of you. Does it mean that both of you cannot take care of your wives? Because the way you sounded on telephone, we are something else.
Brother, can I talk?
James, I demand no explanation from any of you. This is Europe, not Africa, okay? It's just very simple here. And I don't care how both of you feel. I brought you out of Africa for a purpose. Okay? Is you understood?
I understand, brother. It's not like that.
Oh, I said it's enough. So I don't want this mess to repeat itself again. Okay?
It's okay, brother. Which one is okay, brother?
And you, James,
I said it's okay.
I don't want this to repeat itself again.
Brother, can I say something?
I demand no explanation.
What?
James, what are you asking? What? Brother said he has said everything. So what did you want? What else did you want?
Jessie, baby. Anita. Yes,
Brother, I like this, eh?
Do you know that I help out today in the kitchen?
Thank you, darling. Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
I like the kids that you brought to this family, eh?
Yes,
At least by now, I think so. Together, it was 1 million. I'm very happy. Okay?
Yes, sir. No. It's much. I don't want to get fat. I don't want to. Okay, I'm coming.
You know, my baby, she's very, very fast. So
Yes,
I want that to reduce a little, okay?
I see that.
Thank you.
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You know I like Indomie.
Madam, feed on me. You don't come out for with your Indomie.
Yes, sir. What was that?
Honey, I think you should add a little for me.
My husband. Please put more for him. No, he said he wants to eat.
It's okay. No, my brother, don't eat too much.
My husband. Today for you enjoying it. I really helped her. Yeah, faith together. Yeah, sure.
You know, my honey, she's a good cook.
You know that. Funny.
Wow. No, brother, meat is very big. So you have to do like that. You're jealous in me. I'm not jealous in you. I'm not jealous.
Your own is here.
Wow. They laugh.
Oh, bravo.
It's okay.
Brava. A little. It's okay.
So you give her fat meat, and I told you I want her to reduce, so you not give her fat.
No, don't worry. I will eat the meat. I don't want to eat this much. I'll eat it.
Let me help you.
Thank you. I understand. Okay. Oh, have you prayed?
Let's pray. Yes.
Okay.
So let's pray.
Let me help you on this. Now we change person, okay? Yes, sir.
Okay. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, we bless you. Thank you for this great time you're giving to us for us to eat together in one accord. Because you said in the book of Hebrews, chapter 1, verse 13, you said, let the brotherly love continue, Lord. Let this brotherly love continue in this family. Amen. I say this in true Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen. Pastor. My husband will be a pastor.
That's a good one.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, brother. Yo, who cooked this food?
What is it?
You're asking me what is this? Tell the food you cooked. Jesus Christ.
Jessica! Do you want to poison someone?
Honey. What is this now? Jesus Christ.
Honey, Let's go. I can't eat this food.
We said let there be peace in the house.
Let's go. Let me go prepare Indomie for you. I can't eat this thing. Eat your food. Nonsense. Let's go.
And I'm sure of words, brother. We said let there be peace in this house.
Go!
For you to cook poison, to kill your mother.
Nonsense.
I hate this.
What is this now?
Honey, I'm even surprised too.
So who did this?
I don't know, this is absolutely wickedness.
What did I don't understand. Please, can you explain to me? Wickedness, who did it? Are you not the one cooking the food?
Honey, you know me too well. But I can't cook rubbish in this house.
Of course, I know that you can cook. That is the reason I got married to you. I know you very well, but I'm surprised. It's okay, okay? It's okay. But I'm hungry, okay? Look for something else for me to eat.
Okay, honey. God. What is all this? I called this food before this went out. What is all this? Anita, I know that this is your handwork. Nobody else. Okay.
Jessica, you have not seen anything in this house. Anita, I will deal with you. Mama Chineke, Mama.
Annie, baby.
Yes, Jessie.
This one you are happy and very excited today. What is the secret?
Nothing, no. I said she come and help you in the kitchen, oh.
Oh my God. Thank God, though.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm very, very happy. If you continue like this, peace will reign in this house.
Thank you.
Oh, come.
Thank you. Thank you.
Most of our husband conversations like this.
Yeah.
They're very, very happy.
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm very, very happy.
Thank
to see you smile like this. you.
Jessie.
Yeah. You know what? Just help me and go after this food. I'm coming, okay?
Alright, no problem. Jessica! Nonsenseful. Idiot. Indomiful. Check your food. Jessie, girl. Fine girl. You know what, Jessica? I'm coming, eh? Let me go and check my phone. Maybe my husband will come in. I don't know. Let me go and check my phone.
of all this?
Your useless wife is turning this house to a club.
Is this place a dancing or what?
Oh, thank you. Answer. Come on,
what is happening?
Where did you get that from? Where? This game is a club game.
Will you allow me to speak? Don't talk to me in such manner.
Well, don't talk to my wife like that, brother. Talk to your wife.
Honey, look, I don't have strength for all this rubbish in this moment now. Sick and tired of all this nonsense. I can't take this from Anita any longer. Anita lose my trouble every day by day.
What nonsense?
I was there sitting dancing, enjoyed myself. Anita started looking for trouble again.
What nonsense?
She started all this again.
Take me from me, let's go out of this place. Nonsense.
You cannot dance. They dancing like old woman. She cannot even dance. Let's go.
Anita, you.
Will you keep quiet? I'm disappointed at you. What are you doing? You want to turn my house into a club? What is this? Meet me inside.
Anita, keeping quiet does not make me a fool in this house. Anita, Apamua, Mejigi, that's not one feeble. I want Igbo, Mejigi, don't worry.
I can never do without you.
Odim, stop. I should be the one saying this. You rock my world, you know. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Do you know I don't want to lose you ever? Not even by mistake. Promise me you will not leave me.
I'd rather die than live without you.
Okay, let's get ready to die because I see you leaving him very soon.
What are you doing here? You set of jobless guys, all smoking around and talking rubbish.
Immediately I overheard both of you talking. I knew it was poverty that was talking. Okay, if you get money now, you will leave this babe. Babe, if you get money now, if money come now, package money come, you will leave this guy. Money is the answer to everything.
My friend, are you mad? Come on, get out of my face.
Hey! No time, boy. We are quite time. I'll be talking here.
Men.
Let's just leave here at once.
Please. It's better. Let's leave this jobless news.
If you get money, you go change this car. If you get money, you change this your nigga. Money is oh my God, man, I love you. I love you. I think
You can't even speak good English. You're speaking Swahili.
Come on, come on for here. Over Tinero blue shirt, if you blue shirt, key one where they go. Oh, see where head the key. See where they hide the key. I know they come out of bed. Nobody do you to take your bonnet. What time are you to the dress? Oh my guy, come back, take your bonnet and shave. No wahala. Your motor, so they start. The iron. Take your bonnet, stay within the your motor. Now that's the matter. Only the where else you go.
Please try if it will start.
It was doing good now. Baby, help me start this guy case.
What's funny? Will you live here? Idiots. Okay, babe. Why don't you guys get a life? Just go and get a life.
Now that's the way you get wear. Now that's the way you wear. I call this wahala.
Check that thing in the shock. Wanna shock what shock? Go call mechanic. Rubbish.
Let me just try and see if it will come on.
Hey, go come. Yeah, come on. Let me just try. Go see. Come on. Yeah.
Wow. I told you. I told you. I thought it would come on.
Come inside, please.
All right.
Come on. Get back with my son. Get back with my son.
And useful.
Go.
Baby, don't mind them. Let's go.
Baby, are you comfortable inside?
Yes, I'm fine. Let's go.
Good, okay.
How can I say our points on this here? Echo. Guy, you don't get shishi. My friend.
No wahala. Thank you. No wahala. Baby, come inside. Get out of my Jeep. My Rolls Royce.
Shameless guy. Jobless set.
Okay. Hey.
Oh, this seriously? Your brother is very funny. His wife can even dance.
Please, you are far from it. How can you say my brother is funny? So let me tell you, the way you talk to my brother, and if you talk to him the next time, I will not take it lightly with you. Remember, he's my elder brother. Okay? Please, he deserves some respect. Never you talk to him that way, okay? Despite I'm supporting you, that does not give you the priority for you to talk to him like that.
Only.
What?
I used to respect your brother.
How?
I'm a good wife. I used to tell, just that I used to say the truth.
The truth?
Yes.
You are far from me, please. Look at the way you talk to him. I was ashamed of myself. But I'll tell you, don't let this be the last time. I will not repeat myself. He's my elder brother, please.
Only what has come over you?
Nothing, I'm perfectly okay. Can't you see that? I'm okay.
Okay, fine. I've heard you. Anytime I see your brother, I was like, oh, brother, Carol.
Yes, fine.
Oh, Carol.
I'm fine.
That's what you want.
Yes, he's my elder brother. Give him that girlish respect. What sort of nonsense is that? You sort my brother. Don't like it.
Why the sudden stop? Baby, you know what? Check if those guys, those riffraffs, check if they are coming.
For what? Are you trying to mock me or what?
You know, I can never mock you. I can't do a thing like that. Those guys are bad news. You and I know it.
Shut up! Don't even make noise here because those boys are like evil spirits. They could even hear us here. Calm down, just keep quiet. Let me just watch out. Just calm down. Just calm down.
There's nothing from under the car. Just
wait. Let's take our time and watch what is wrong with this car.
I think we should call the mechanic.
I don't have that kind of time with mechanics.
No mercy here.
Try. It's not. Try.
Okay, see what happen. Just free it from me.
Free. Yes, it's free.
Nah. No vex. Now joke with me, no kind of laugh with this. Why they laugh like this? We don't laugh now. Laugh don't pass. This now our man be this. No, just help her. Yeah. Stop this thing. Stop her. Bobo, say that to push the motor to go one side like this. Now make we just help her. This laugh done too much. Just be a hey. Guy! Nothing now. Guy man, no help you push and go one side. Look out.
Yeah.
Make this one look us now. Leave this guy. Oh yeah, baby.
Don't call me that. Yes.
Wait. Baby, I am protecting you, okay?
I know.
Be calm.
Be careful with those guys.
No, I'm not too close to them. I'm here.
Okay.
Let's go.
1, 2, go!
What is it?
Now, what is it? What is wrong with you? Stop moving the bush.
Can you people just leave us? Just leave us for Christ's sake. Just you people should go.
Wait.
Go.
This is a government road.
Go. Baby, call the mechanic. Call your mechanic guy to come.
I should have done better. Thank you for that idea. Where's my phone?
Should be inside.
Please get my phone.
Call the mechanic. Hey.
I don't blame you too. Get out of my. Get out!
Hey!
Don't even come
Yes,
close to
I'm
this
public road.
No, you just called the mechanic already.
Nah, this guy go carry forward the good boy.
Back to sender. Poverty, back to sender. Back to sender. Where are you?
He there for red junction.
Please, my friend, just let me direct you.
Anyway, at Osigwe Street.
They don't change the address.
Yes.
Red junction be that.
My friend, where are you? Just take a bike. Tell them. Give the bike. Okay. No, take the other street. By Igwe
Osigwe
Crescent.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Be fast, please. It's my car. It's not usual now.
Usual na car. I'm going to car.
Oga, where the key?
See where he head dey. The head and steering. Come on, man, you no jam me. Make you want to no move. Which kind of mechanic wey na the type of mechanic wey poor people dey come. See mechanic wey dey see front of motor. Na dem go bring.
Oga, many things spoil for this motor. This motor no go move for you.
Things like what? Be specific, please.
Oga, when last you change oil?
Okay, what can we do? What can you do to help us take this car out of this place, please?
Oga, this thing spoil. Well, you go chop you money.
Oga, mechanic tell am to finish. Oga, see, make I tell you.
Tell them now, not the way you feel walk here.
Go how?
The kick don spoil. And as you dey stress and wan start the motor, na the battery don run down. See water dey draw for the radiator. The exhaust caprice. That one go make this motor.
I can see that this car is not the problem. You are the problem.
Okay.
Get out! Come, they know say you know come. No worry, leave am. See, you know say as e stand so, na problem stand. See, to solve the problem of this car, you go start from this man wey stand here. You go first solve your own problem.
My friend,
before you go solve the problem we go to.
Forget about this. What?
Oga, you go spend about like 45,000 for this motor.
What?
45 what?
What?
45,000 to buy all those things once.
Baby, come inside the car. Close my bonnet for me.
Close
Close my bonnet for me.
Hey, Oga! Are you the wahala?
them for food. Mr. Man, what is wrong with my car? I don't tell them. What did you try?
Hey! Jessica, what is wrong with you? Can't you see I'm washing?
Anita, what is the problem?
Can't you see I'm washing? Get you?
How can only you occupy the whole space? And besides, I want to cook.
Cook. Hey! Don't push me. Don't push me.
Anita, I don't have your time this moment too. I don't have your time at all.
Like seriously, it was a mistake. I was just trying to show that woman the action in me. It was a mistake.
In fact, why are you here?
I say I'm sorry now. I'm
sorry.
No,
tell me why you are here.
Okay, but I thought I've told you before. For my school fees. I've told you before.
In that case, there is no school fees.
I know here.
I said, there is no school fees. What if I died during that process? Where will you get it from? Who will give you?
But, Auntie, thank God you didn't die. So, stop telling me that there's no money for me. Oh, where else do you want to go?
Ask yourself that question. Because maybe if I die during that process, where will you get it from? Who will give you?
But thank God that you did not die. Thank God you know that. So, that will not stop you not to give the money. You have to find it. You have to find it.
Look at this lazy thing. You have to find it. I brought you from Nigeria. In fact, with a grace. In fact, you know what? I don't beat this woman. Beat her. Because come do nonsense. Say they help me. Honey, stand up. Stand up. What happened? I'm tired of this stay together thing. I am tired. It's high time we get ourselves our own apartment.
At least we have been here before I married you. So it's not possible for me to pack out of my house. So it's not possible, okay? It's impossible. Okay?
Honey, I don't show a man enough.
Please. Just let me sleep. After the hectic day in the office.
It's high time you understand where I'm going. Please, I am tired. If you're not tired, I am tired. You're a grown-up man. You're not a baby. You're not.
Please. I need some rest, okay? Please, just go back to bed. I have to put it into consideration, okay? But for now, I don't have an answer to that.
Take fast.
No problem. So go back to bed. Talk about that next time. Go back to bed. Talk about that next time, okay?
You remember this
Remember
morning? I told you to give me money to give to my brother to go back to school. You refuse. It doesn't mean that you don't have her, James.
You have started again this time. What has come over you? Eh? Do you think I'm happy for me to see you this way? How dare your brother beat you up and just want to go like that? Do you think I'm happy?
He didn't beat me up. It was a mistake.
You see you? That's why you're proud. You know what this is a mistake. How do you call it a drastic mistake? Look at your face. He beat you up and he left just like that. You think I'm happy? Please. Call it a quit. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Are you done? Are you done with your
I'm done, yes.
Fine. Not going anywhere, James.
Why you have started again?
Unless you give me that money.
You have started again. Look at you. Please, let me go.
James, you're not going.
I'm going to refresh myself again. Please, I've not eaten this morning. Just give me a chance. Please, let me eat.
I will tell you that I'm a crazy woman, James. I will tell you that crazy is my second name, James.
I heard you.
Go inside.
If you're not ashamed, I'm ashamed of myself, please. Just simply call him, let him come over, or give him the money tomorrow, please. Just call him.
Now you're talking to me, man. Let me.
What is that look on your face?
Brother, you are asking me. I've been here for more than 35 minutes. All you know is to type.
As you can see, James, I'm working.
I know you are very busy, brother. That's your pet. Continue with it. But remember, I'm your junior brother.
Okay, I'm sorry. What brought you to my office?
Fine. The main reason why I came to this office is for us to split the joint account. That's the main reason why I'm here, brother.
I don't understand you.
What do you understand? Don't tell me that. Brother, I have responsibilities. I'm man enough to take care of myself.
I'm sorry, if you are here because of the money, it will not work.
Why? How do you talk to me that way? Why? Give me the reasons.
Remember, this is an office. Don't shout.
I know it's your office. So that's the main reason why I'm talking to you as a brother. So I need the share of my money. You have heard me. Why are you looking at me? You heard me right, you're still looking at me.
Because I'm surprised.
Yes. You're supposed to be.
If you are here because of the money, it's not going to work. I'm very, very sorry.
Okay. You will hear from me. You said you won't go to work. You will hear from me very soon. Did you hear that?
Are you sure? I think you should leave.
I should get out of your office.
Yes.
That's what you want? Okay. If you want me, you will hear from me very soon.
Hello, secretary. Please see me in the office right now.
Hello, Daddy. What's up?
Oh, honey.
How you doing?
I'm fine, you're back.
I watched the movie.
Yes.
Oh.
So how did it go?
Man, not so easy, but I tried my best to convince him, but my brother seems not to understand me. Or, but I tried, but I know with time, listening. He's a man. Maybe with time, I will talk to him, okay? Trust me.
Did you shake him?
No.
Did you break his leg?
No, of course.
Then how do you expect him to know how serious you are?
See, listen to me. My brother and his wife, they are just an empty vessels, okay? Just don't bother yourself. I know how to handle that situation. I'm in the best position to handle them, okay? So just relax.
Anything you're doing, you have to be fast.
Yes.
Do you know how your brother spent money on his wife? Do you know how you suffer to get those things?
Relax. You talk too much. I will handle this situation, okay?
Do you know how I suffer? You suffer to get those things. See, you're just provoking me. What is reaching me now?
I understand. Sit down, don't worry. I'm in a good position to handle that situation, okay? Sit down. Just sit down, don't worry. Is there anything in the house? I'm really hungry.
It's only food, you know. It's only food. Your follower, you can't fight him. You can't fight.
It's not easy.
Go and fight.
Remember, he's my elder brother.
I need fight.
That's all you need. Fight, day in and out. It's not easy. How will I be fighting my elder brother? I know with time, I will get rid of all this, okay? You try too much. I'm tired and confused of you. Trouble and all that.
Hello? First, I am not down with this issue of joint account. That guy is lazy. Sister, let me just be plain with you. Divorce this guy and move on. We need to build a house. We need to start something. Divorce that mumu. The fact that he took you abroad does not mean you spend the rest of your life with him. Now you're talking. That's my sister. Hey. Yes. All right. Just call me as soon as you're done with the whole thing. That guy is an imbecile. You don't need him. All right. Yes. How are they here? Then they mad.
James, have you gone? How dare you bash into my office? Stop insulting me, brother. What's the meaning of that, Jerry? Stop insulting me. Why are you looking at me? I said stop it. I'm beginning to suspect you. What are you? Suspect you? Did you forget this is an office? Suspect you? I know here is your office. That's the main reason why I came. All I came here for is for you to split the joint account. I need my money. I need it. I've told you before. I need my money. Then what about if I don't give it to you? Brother, don't say that. Jerry, don't push me to the wall. Don't tell me that. How do you talk to me that way? I need my money. James, you are pushing me. I'm not the one pushing you. Don't make me to lose it. I'm here for you. If that's what you want, I'm here for you. Jerry, this is an office. Stop calling my name. How dare you call my name? Stop calling my name. I need it. And when am I going to get the share of my money? When? I'm asking you when? When? I'm asking you. I'll come for you.
Honey, are you drinking again? What is the problem? What is eating you up? What is it?
I don't understand my brother anymore.
What is it, my husband?
Honey, you want us to divide the joint account.
Holy Jesus, but why?
I don't know. Because he is desperate about it.
I strongly believe that his wife is behind all this. But you know what? Just take things easy, okay? Handle it easy with care, please. I don't want both of you to fight. Just take it easy, okay? Please, it's okay. It's okay. But I don't want you to drink again. It's too much. No, it's too much. It's okay, please. Oh, God.
I'll show you today, eh? Let's not come this house. I want you to on the backside of me today, eh? Oh no, that I'm a man. We'll prove to her that I'm a man today, eh? Don't take her lightly with her. This time I'm going to hold the bull at the horn.
What? James, when did you start smoking?
Brother, I started it because of you.
So you are the one spoiling this house with this bad aroma?
I started it because of you, because this is getting out of hand.
What?
You hear me?
What are you trying to do?
What is here?
Stop doing
I was not your explanation. You hear me?
What?
I don't know your explanation. You understand?
I don't understand you, James.
You think it is easy?
What are you doing?
You think it is? James.
Brother.
Jerry.
Sir.
I brought both of you out of Africa just to be useful to yourself. But look at the disgrace I got. Most especially you, James.
Brother, you always point at me. What's the problem, brother? Is it fair? Is it wrong for me to ask my brother to give me my own share? I need my own share, that's all I need.
What share are you talking about?
Brother, please.
Come and get
Enough!
You fool.
Enough! You call me. My friend, get seated. But I'm respecting you, if not
I
you.
said shut up and sit down there. If that is what both of you want, tomorrow I call the family lawyer to separate it, give both of you your shares.
Bravo!
I think enough of this madness.
I love that, brother.
Have I made myself understood?
Very, very clear. That's what I'm being expecting from you. Listen, let me tell you. You think of my elder brother, that doesn't make me a fool. You understand me? Don't push me to the wall. I'm telling you all these things.
James, I know why I'm trying to do. You are asking for your share. Come and get it now.
Okay, until then.
Come and get it.
Until then.
Don't worry.
Until then, don't worry.
Share.
Yes.
You that I teach and work.
What did you teach me?
You.
Just look at you. I'm a professional on my own.
Professional.
No, it's okay, brother.
Hey, get out. Get out.
It's okay.
Your share. Don't worry. You get nothing. You get nothing.
Please fire. Please hear me. Thank you, honey.
Anita, please.
This what?
Anita,
please.
Anita, please now.
Yes, I'm okay.
Husband, please.
Who's your husband?
Please, calm down. You can settle this.
Oh, they allow me to finish her.
Talk to her.
Settle fire, Jessica. Fire. To finish her.
Talk to her, my love.
Jessica, settle fire. Fire. Jessica, there will be no place.
I don't need peace. I don't need peace.
James, my brother.
Who is your brother?
Consider what people will say.
Consider what? You know what? Both of you are just an empty vessel that make the loudest noise. That's what you are, right?
Yes.
Indomies.
All the same, thanks.
Thanks what?
Please, calm down. Calm down. My husband, please.
Don't worry. Both of you will hear from me, brother. You will hear from me soon.
Anita.
Later what?
Please now.
Remove your hand from there. Don't
Calm
feel like this is
down,
bad.
please.
Is this an expensive bar, man?
Please now. Calm down.
Leave us alone.
Please now.
Ciao.
My husband.
Who is your husband?
Please calm down. We can settle this.
Settle what? Settle fine.
Calm down.
Just go.
Anita. It's okay, I'm here for you, okay? Don't worry. Stand up, let me inside. Let's go inside, okay? Let's go inside. It's okay. I'm by your side, it's okay.
Honey?
Yes, sweetie.
I just called my mom now.
That's nice. How is she doing?
She's fine. She said she have received the alert.
Wow, that's great.
She's very happy.
That's good. She deserves the best from me.
Yes.
She's more than $1 million to me.
Thank you.
Honey?
Huh?
No, tomorrow go out for shopping.
Shopping?
Yeah, you deserve the best.
Honey.
Yes, darling.
Thank you very much.
No problems. We need to pick up some grocery for yourself so that you get to for the next that's coming Sunday.
Honey, you're one in $1 million.
Thank you, darling. You
Thank
deserve
you
it.
very much. Thank you.
That's good.
Alright, let me get you something.
Alright.
got that money from. And I don't even know how much it is that he has now that is making his head swell.
But you should have collected your own money.
I should have collected money from the same person who insulted me and my husband to be. Mama, don't say this now.
Can you listen to yourself? He insulted you with his mouth. Did money insult you? You could have collected money, then insult him with your mouth.
If I had collected that money, that means I accepted the insult.
No, money is different. And I'm not insult his mouth. Money in the pocket and mouth insult. No. I don't know what is wrong with you. Don't even think fast at all. And one time I left the money.
I don't understand you.
Yeah. A lot. 200,000 a lot from Chukwuemeka waiting. Ilochi. Who is Chukwuemeka Ilochi?
I don't know anything. The only Chukwuemeka I know is this same Emeka we are talking about. Who is this? Do I know? And what's he doing here? What's Emeka doing here now?
Yeah. Are you Chukwuemeka Ilochi?
Yes, ma'am.
You sent 200,000 naira into my account.
Yes.
Then how did you get my account number?
It's your daughter's friend, Chisom.
Mama, return that money.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome. The money is just for cola.
200,000 naira for cola. 200,000 cola, sir. I hear you're mentioning now. I close the market. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi. Thank you. No. Yeah. And this guy?
I bought it 2 days ago. I want to be managing this one for now.
Management. Yeah. You're managing this one?
Yes.
This is a big car now.
Money is life. When you have money, you do anything you want.
The light is still on, no?
Yes, it's American spec.
Yes.
Hey, thank you. Hey, you're welcome. This is a big car. Chukwuemeka.
Wanyoma, I came to apologize for what happened in the past. The insults and all that. Yes, and for the insult, I will give you 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira for the insult. Hi! If you have more insult, bring it. I'll make it 100 because. Insult again because.
Have you forgiven us?
Have
you forgiven us?
I've done that already.
Mama, you have a good heart.
Yes. Shut up.
And for that, I will make it 100,000 naira. I will transfer the money now.
100,000.
Mama, wait, I want to tell you something. See, there's something. Wait. Mama, wait, let me tell you something.
You get the
alarm.
alarm
now.
Yes.
What? Mama, wait now. Why are you doing that? I don't like this thing you're doing. Why are you collecting this money? Send this money back.
Will you shut up? If I slap you now, I will not pay you any money. Shut up. One insult. Money. Nah. Welcome. Yeah. Sit down. Shift. Hey! Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah? Go and get them something, number. Go and get them something to drink, also, sir.
Your daughter is not looking bad at all. Wow.
That means I'll get leg looking fat.
Of course, ma'am. Of course.
To wire.
You will.
Yeah, because of the looking.
In fact, for her history now, I'll give you 50,000 naira.
Chai! For that looking?
Yes.
Yeah! Come back here, don't bring anything again. Come on, pass again. For another person till a lot. Pass! Don't bring anything and come back. Hey!
You like this place? Yeah. And the food is nice.
I know you love eating.
Waitress! Where is she?
I started in relax.
For God's sake, just relax.
She's coming. Just relax, okay?
Madam,
I'm sorry for the delay. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am.
No problem.
Okay. Alright, did you guys need anything? So, water, juice? Are you new in this place? Sorry, ma'am. I don't understand.
Hey, waitress. Look at her shoe. Hey.
Don't mind. Excuse me.
Waitress.
It's okay.
No, this is not okay. How can a waitress dress with a high shoe? No wonder it takes her long to bring this food. Waitress with a short skirt. Oh God.
Sit down, eat your food.
And you tell me you're not staring at her.
That's the letter.
I saw you.
She's not beautiful.
Hey, this guy is making me. Hey, you will not come here again.
That's not the main reason why we came.
But you won't come back here again. Hey, waitress.
To ask for food, now there's food. Starting. Please eat.
African guest. Wow, it's lovely. Thank you. Did you get a popo? Waitress.
Check your
Stop it now.
Ma, you called me.
Please, I need some drink.
Okay, alright.
And me too. Look at you.
Ma, is it LC or Fanta?
Hey, I said, did this guy? She just said you okay. I said, go.
Alright, sorry. And you, sir, wish me. Okay.
That is Pepsi.
Yeah. Ma'am, sorry, we don't have Coke.
Sorry for yourself. Sorry for your shoe.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry for your shoe.
Waiter, what's the name again?
That's how you said.
What's the name again?
I'm Destiny. Yeah, thank you very much. Alright, thank you.
Honey?
You're asking of her name. You not ask of her name. James. Suit yourself.
Not the man who walk at me.
Honey, I was looking for you everywhere.
I'm here.
Okay, now you are here. I wanted us to discuss something important.
What is it?
Well, it's about your business.
Okay.
Honey, now your brother is not here with you. You have to take your business so serious.
I'm trying, I'm doing my best, okay? I'm trying to make it work. I'm trying.
I know. You know what? Just take things easy, okay? Let me get you something.
It's okay.
Later.
Hello, Harrison. How you doing? I'm well, fine. Then what about the consignment? You say? And please, let's be fast about it, eh? I really need detergent, please. The workers are waiting. Yes, very, very important, and please be fast.
Honey.
Just before, okay, I will call. Yes, darling, what's up?
I'm fine. Who are you talking?
Okay, she's here already, okay, no problem. I'll talk to you later, eh? Be fast about it. Alright. Yes, darling, what's up? It's my agent.
Oh.
He said my goods will be here by tomorrow.
Oh my God, honey. This is called for celebration.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, please. We need money, more money.
I know you deserve it, guys. You always, when it comes to things like you always, very, very fast. I'm cooking.
Very good, right.
Some rice.
Alright, I'm coming, honey.
No problem, just fresh yourself and,
my friend.
And come on.
I love you.
Love you too.
Please make sure the stew is.
No, so
Alright.
I know what you love. You like already made for me to cook. That's what you want.
What kept you now? I've been waiting here for long.
I'm sorry, I was busy. Ma, to the reason I called you.
Okay.
Look at how God has blessed the maker. Now he's even sharing money. Who would have believed that useless maker would touch money? Eh, Ma? Ma, you're not saying anything.
And that's because you're not making any points.
Ma, at least be happy for him.
Happy for him for what? No, happy in what aspects? That he's sharing money we don't even know where he got from. No, I should be excited, I should be jumping up because he's throwing money about. Eh?
Whether you know the source or not, how is that your business? You're just acting like you don't wish to be in his shoe. If it were to be Obiora now, you won't say anything.
Hey, just hold it there. My sweet and loving Obiora can never be compared to that idiot. And please, before I get pissed off, I don't want to talk about Emeka, please. If you want, you can go and lick his ass for all I care. I'm out.
Why
of
are you
here.
getting so angry now?
I'm out of here.
I'm sorry now. Ma, please wait for me now. Eh?
He says, be careful with my face, so.
You're funny.
That's my face, eh? Please.
She's doing her work.
It's okay.
That's fine, thank you. Nim, my love.
Yes, you deserve the best.
Oh, Nim. I love you.
Thank you. Yes, my angel.
So much money.
Yeah, the woman of my dream. The woman after my heart. I cherish you like no man's business.
Like, I know. Thank you, my love. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, princess. You did a very nice job. Yeah. That's nice. Princess, thank you very much. Eh? So, I think I will see your boss, okay? So let's go.
Ciao, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jerry. How are you on? How is your business?
We thank God. And you?
To God be the glory.
I see. You're taking your steps.
That is God.
Husband, are you here?
How are you, our wife?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you much. Honey?
Yeah.
Have you offered Ebola something?
Yes, I forgot. Pardon my manners, okay?
Bad of you. My husband, let me get you something, okay?
Thank you very much.
Alright, you're welcome.
And you, Jerry, have you heard from James?
No, brother. James has changed his line.
No one I've been trying to reach him, trying to connect him, not responding, not reachable.
Yes, he has changed his line.
That's so bad of him, I don't know.
Obiora! Who is that? Well, Amy, you are glaring on here. Now we did here.
Who is that again?
Amy, we are glaring on here. Now we did here.
Here. What can I do for you?
There's no problem. I just want to ask you one question.
few minutes ago you received an alert of 50,000 naira, right?
Yes.
I sent it to you. Wait a minute. And for you to confirm what I just told you, I will send another 50,000 naira into your account right now.
Emi money.
When was I now?
Emi onyenko.
Obe Kwahana, you let me know. I send the go here. Obego. I came here for 2 reasons. You see, all those times we were quarreling and fighting, the mechanic, the laughing and all that, it was poverty. It was poverty. When I mean Ubos, I'm talking right now, I'm talking quietly because I have money. I exude money, my brother.
Emi money. Emi onyenko. You go body na money.
Okay, you know what will happen? I will transfer 500,000 naira into your account right now for you to forget about that. The money the mechanic is owing you, the money what's it or whatever. In fact, everything about the mechanic and I will give it to you now. 500,000 naira. Hold on. May I now do anything? Oh, I fear now. Obe Kwana, you let me know. I will leave it tomorrow.
You receive the money, you make sure you smile.
Obego.
Emi onyenko, you know, because no instant. Tan.
I'll smile.
Power of money. Power of money.
Because let's forget about the English. Because you have the account number.
Your friend gave it to me. What's his name again? Gerard.
Hi. God will bless Gerard.
Oh.
May the Almighty God who has favored this earth favor Gerard.
Amen.
And the Emi money too.
Thank you.
My brother.
You too, you'll be favored.
With your friend.
Thank you.
Do you know why we are here?
Thank you.
I'm here for a very important issue.
Okay. What else?
You may be angry if I say it.
You talk to me. No
But
problem.
money answered all things.
No, you don't have any issue. Talk to me. Talk to me.
You see that girlfriend of yours? I want her. Tell me.
I don't understand.
You're fresh. You like me.
What?
What?
What is he talking about? Is it a joke or something?
1 million naira. Are you game?
Look, I don't get you. I mean, are you trying to harass me here? I don't get it.
1.5 million naira. Babego, we are talking money here.
Do you mean?
Emi.
You mean what you're saying?
What?
What did you say?
Okay. I understand. 2 million naira. Can send here now. Don't say anything, let me send you so that it will be inside your account for you to say anything.
Do you know if you can make 2 million naira all your life?
Obego. Hi, the money, Obego.
Emi money, complete.
Emi Dikeh. Chairman. Go back to all 6 digits in hand now. Emi Dikeh. Let me be a guy by inside. I will put out your upholstery. Let me bring out the upholstery.
Let's go inside.
You can go with your shoes.
But before then, my car is dirty.
Okay.
And for 50,000 naira, you will wash it.
Oh.
Okay?
Call my phone. In case it rings, don't let me know when the alert comes in.
Honestly, I can't use that.
Oh.
I'm not a joker.
Go inside with the shoe.
Okay. Make sure you use a car wash. Don't use a clean because of the paint.
No problems, man. Hey, Emi Dikeh, what will I buy for you? Hi. Is it real?
She was.
Honey? Problem here is problem solved. So you have to talk to me and your wife.
Buddy, you know what?
What?
Arisi, shipped contraband goods in my name, and they have seized my goods.
Jesus of geography.
This is not time for Jesus of geography. This is what we call physical battle between me and Arisi. Arisi has finished me.
Honey, tell me it's a joke.
I'm finished.
Hey!
Time for joke. This is not time for joke. I'm telling you reality.
Honey, what are we going to do?
Arisi has finished me. Oh.
How are we going to get money?
Arisi has finished me.
Hey!
It's not only that. He has tarnished my image. The police, they after me.
Even me?
They after my life. Oh.
Hey!
They after my life.
Honey, this is serious. Oh, this is serious, honey. Honey, this is serious.
It's not time for money, please. We have to be very, very specific now. Let's go the way forward.
God,
they after me.
Hey God, why is this happening?
Arisi has finished me.
Hey!
This is unbelievable. This is not me.
Hey God! How could you?
A goose worth 10.6 million just go down the drain just like that.
Take it easy, take it easy. Let me get you water.
Please, I need less water.
Let me get you water.
Arisi has finished me. Arisi has finished me. Hey, goose worth 10.6 million. Just go down the drain just like that. No.
Mama, what is happening here?
Thank God you're back. No. What is happening here is money. Ego. That is what you're seeing here. Thank God you're back.
I don't understand.
You don't need to understand. See, Emeka came here. He went to his uncle's place. He said he will soon be back. Emeka gave me 200,000 naira. 200,000 naira. Hard-earned money. Just for you to cook food for him and his friend. Make small food that he will eat with his friend when they come back. Ogwokwa.
I'm not cooking any food.
You know what?
I am not cooking any food. For all the money in the world, I am not cooking any food for that guy.
You must cook it. I've even brought firewood for you so that you make that food fast before they come back here. Go there and go cook that food now.
Mama, this is madness. Can't you see?
It is you that is mad. I'm trying to to give you a brighter future. A future filled with money. What is that you're not seeing? Somebody gave you 200,000 naira just to cook food. Small food. I hear saying nonsense. Is that Puriala? Can't you see it? Go and cook the food.
I'm not cooking that.
Don't mommy. See, from today, be calling me Lady Italiano. Because this is your saying, that's how you work there. Lady Italiano. So go and cook that food fast. There's no time.
I am not cooking any food. If heaven like meets with earth, I'm not cooking any food.
Yeah! Come back here! Come back here! Before I lose my temper. Go and cook this food, oh! Go and cook this food!
Honey, why are you crying? Let's go to bed, okay? See, let me tell you, what happened to us is a test of our faith, okay? God said what has kept under him is safe and secure. So it is time for us to see the face of God, okay? So forget about the pride and all that. I know definitely God will definitely answer us certainly. So stop crying.
But I can't sleep.
I know it gave you sleepless night, I know. But just forget. Forget about it. God will definitely answer us. It is time for us to seek the face of God this time, eh? It's okay. It's okay. Let's go inside. It's okay. And it's not easy. So, it's okay. Baby! Not for me. Yeah. Not for problem in ourselves.
Two million. Hey! Even if it's hellfire that is raining today, I must wash this car. Hey! This is machine. I put on cow machine. Chama, chamo.
Obi, what are you doing? And isn't this supposed to be Emeka's car?
Shut up! Don't ever call that name here again. You hear me? Idiot! His name is Sir Amy Money. That is the Shamo that's around.
I don't understand. I need an explanation.
I said I heard my name.
Hey, Chamo! Chamo is here.
Oh, is that you? Beautiful. Come on, give your daddy a hug. My sweetheart, my love, come.
Wait. I'm getting confused here right now. Wait. I hope I am not dreaming. Am I?
Maybe.
What are they doing in your house?
Daddy, hug. That's what you're here for.
She's still talking.
Chamo,
drag her to me, drag her to this place. Don't want to clack, I can't hold one.
One
is talking.
You know I know Igbo.
Obi, wait. Tell me all these are joke.
Could you please drag this girl to this place?
I am Obi, but he's Chamo. Obi Chamo.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me with your filthy hands. See. If you have lost your head, mine is still intact.
Your hands are not filthy. I'm richer than 2.5 million as I speak to you. Come and hug Chamo.
I see. He has bought you over with money.
I don't get it.
What can I show you? Now the time one I call hug one now.
No. What?
Yeah, one and I can give 50,000.
Oh, be alright. I know you wouldn't do so. I know you would.
50,000 naira. 50,000.
One yourself.
Chamo, 150. 200.
Come back, don't worry. Yeah, come back. Come back.
I want to give on last level 200,000. I want 200,000 last level.
Yes. For running around, I will make it 200,000.
Chamo, let me call the phone. Oh, Chamo, the way.
Oh yeah, near. Just die the and time. You see who is smile here. Don't mind her. I will use money to embarrass her until she will see me and cry tears of joy.
Hey, Mpa!
Are we there here?
Mpa, do you want to buy this house?
Well, look at what you're writing very well so you'll be able to read it. 2 cows. 1 male, 1 female. Let the female one be white and the male be black. 2 cows, white and black. 30 cartons of geishas. Put it S.
But Mama, you're forcing me into something I do not want to be part of.
Just shut up and write. This is my pen, this is my paper. Write this thing well. Not that this thing is still on my brain.